News Para 43 3 2 1 start. On the occasion of the 94th National Day of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which falls on Monday, September 23, 2024, as the Consul General of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in Karachi, I extend my highest congratulations and blessings to the custodian of the two holy mosques, Crown Prince and Prime Minister, on this auspicious occasion, I praise the great, giant development achievements in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in this prosperous era at all levels, and in various fields that made the Saudi citizens the focus and goal of development, I further appreciate the great role played by the government of the kingdom under the leadership of the custodian of the two holy mosques and His Highness the Crown Prince in international politics due to the wise policy pursued by the kingdom's government. New para. During this momentous occasion, we recall what His Majesty King and his ancestors have done to unify the sprawling country, becoming a leader and a facade in the world. Moreover, we sense the great and historical achievements in all fields and at various levels that have been achieved in our country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, over more than decades, which moved it from a primitive life to unprecedented great development. This brought the kingdom, with the praise and bounty. Congratulations to the kingdom on its National Day! On behalf of his laboratory and diagnostic centers and the people of Pakistan, we extend our warmest greetings to His Royal Highness. We cherish the historic bond between our two nations, forged through shared of Islamic values and a commitment to regional peace and security. New para. General Asam Munir's efforts to strengthen defense diplomacy and bilateral cooperation have been instrumental in nurturing this relationship. His efforts for special investment facilitation council SAFES to attract through an empowered organization that serves as a single window platform for facilitation, and to improve the ease of doing business for potential investors through a whole of government approach, achieving optimal horizontal vertical synergy and facilitation by the Pakistan Army. This has opened unparalleled possibilities for a win-win situation. We thank His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince, for assuring Saudi Arabia's unwavering support for Pakistan, a testament to our enduring friendship. The end.